Welcome back to Trading Hour. Just a couple of minutes ago, you saw on your screen, an important development as far as soda ash prices were concerned. Remember, the two listed players in India that have direct exposure as far as soda ash is concerned are Tata Chemicals as well as GHCL. What we understand is that, soda ash prices have now slipped to multi-year lows, and China's soda ash price has actually fallen down 6% in the last 3 days and almost 14% in the last 1 month. This bodes relatively negative as far as the prospects of both Tata Chemicals soda ash business is concerned as well as GHCL. And at the back of that, you're seeing both of the stocks react quite negatively to the flashes you just saw on your screen. But moving on, Sunny Agrawal from SBI Securities joins us now to discuss market fundamentals and its top sectoral picks. Good morning, Sunny. Thank you so much for joining us. First up, how are you? What are you making of the market currently? And recently, we believe you initiated coverage on AB Capital. So what is your view on the financial space and especially on AB Capital?
Good morning and thanks for having me on the show, Vivek. So in terms of market, I think Nifty is trading close to 22 times 1 year forward earning. But having said that, we are looking at many individual stock ideas where there is a decent upside, especially in terms of earning growth. So recently we have initiated, so we are constructive on NBFC, non-banking financial services company. And the reason being that as we are approaching the rate cut cycle, we believe NBFC are the first set which will benefit out of that. And looking into that, we have initiated coverage on AB Capital. And what we believe is that in AB Capital, both NBFC as well as housing finance business, both are likely to grow their AUM by 25 to 30% over the period of FY24 to 26. At the same time, their AMC business, that is asset management business, continue to do well. They have recovered some lost market share on SIP side. So our sum of the part SOTP target is 280 rupees, wherein we have ascribed value of 190 rupees to the NBFC business, 34 rupees to AMC business, 40 rupees to life insurance business, and rupees 15 to others. So SOTP comes to close to 280 rupees, and the current market price is close to 225 range. So AB Capital is one of our top pick on NBFC side.
280 is the target price there. I was looking at your post Q1 analysis, and there's one stock which you've recommended, and that's called Sky Gold. That's not a stock that we often talk about. So can you tell us a little bit about this company, Sky Gold, and why you like it?
So coming to the Sky Gold, they are one of the leading B2B design manufacturing gold jewelry player. And they cater to many marquee brands like Malabar Gold, Joya Lucas, Kalyan, GRT, Senco. And what has happened that because of the shift from unorganized to organized in the sector in the jewelry space, we are seeing a very good demand traction in all the branded jewelry space. And the benefit of the same is being seen in the Sky Gold. And recently we have seen Sky Gold has acquired two Mumbai-based company that will again add a lot of value to the company over the period of next 2 years. So growing very aggressively. So what we believe is that during FY24, company has posted revenue of close to 1750 crore, and we expect that to go to 3200 crore in FY25. Margins will expand from 4.4% in FY24 to 5% in FY25. And profit is likely to go up almost 1.5x from 40 crore in FY24 to 105 crore in FY25. So trading at close to 30-35 times price to earning multiple, and return ratios of more than 25%. So a small player, although, but again, a proxy player on increasing demand in the organized jewelry space.
Sunny, very interesting. Sunny, you also have coverage as far as the structural steel tube market in India is concerned. Of course, one of the larger players is APL Apollo Tubes, but you've also recently initiated coverage on high-tech pipes. So first up, talk to us about the sector, what are the prospects there, and then, drill down to your opinion as far as high-tech pipes is concerned.
Yeah, coming to structural steel tube industry, we believe that this sector is having a strong tailwind backed by the Jal Jeevan Mission infrastructure, solar, and so on and so forth. And at the same time, we are seeing all the players, whether it is the market leaders like APL, Apollo, or smaller players like high-tech pipes benefiting out of that. So what is happening is that in this entire sector, all the players, whether it is a market leader or a smaller player, they are expanding capacity. And at the same time, the product mix is shifting towards the value-added product, leading to the expansion in EBITDA margin, or what we say EBITDA per ton. So coming specifically to high-tech pipe, high-tech pipe was having a capacity of 0.58 million ton in FY23. So that has expanded to 0.75 in FY24. That will again further expand to 1 million ton in FY25. And recently, company has announced that they will further expand that capacity to 2 million ton over the period of post FY26. So kind of a 4x jump in capacity in 4 years for high-tech pipe. And what we believe is that company has reported 44 crore PAT in FY23, and that is likely to go to 140 crore in FY26. At the same time, ROE, which is in single digit at a current juncture, may go to close to 17 to 18% in FY26. Currently, the market cap is close to 3,000 crore, and although as per our report, we have achieved our target price was 190, and stock is trading above that. But what we believe is that in the medium to long term, the prospect continue to remain healthy for a high-tech pipe. And so as for APL Apollo tubes also, wherein we have seen a record quarterly sales volume during the first quarter of FY25. And for full year, we are expecting 3.2 million ton of volume, and that is likely to grow by 20% over the period of next 2 years. Again, the similar story of value-added product leading to margin expansion. Profit likely to go from 770 crore in FY24 to 1450 crore in FY26, 20% plus ROE, ROC. The majority of the capex is behind for APL Apollo tube, and we will see a rapid increase in free cash flow from FY25 and 26. So that's another pick from structural steel tube industry.
Sunny, what's your view as far as the entire defense space is concerned? We've actually seen quite a lot of order wins yesterday. You saw the Defense Acquisition Council go ahead and approve orders worth over 1 lakh crore. Within that, what is your top pick? And do you feel that in certain cases, the stock price run-up has been much ahead of what the fundamental earnings delivery has been?
So after a long time, we have again started seeing order inflows for the entire defense sector. And there is no doubt that definitely valuation landscape has changed significantly over the period of last 6 to 24 months. And all the PSU companies which were trading in a single digit price to earning multiple, they are now trading in the band of 30 to 50 price to earning multiple. So yes, definitely was first round of re-rating has completed in the entire defense sector. Now it's a time for delivery. We have already seen valuation running ahead of the numbers, and I hope that execution is something which we will see over the period of next 18 months. Coming to, however, we continue to remain bullish on defense sector and would like to ride this sector through a smaller companies like Zen Technologies, wherein the market cap is close to 15,000 crore. We have recently seen the company has successfully concluded its QIP. And sitting on a robust order book, close to 1,200 crore order book, which is 2.5 times FY24 sales. Recently launched anti-drone solutions and robots. So we are expecting close to 1,200 crore of fresh order inflow for the company. And at the same time, we expect sales, profit and top line to grow by almost 3x in FY during the next 2 years. So we are expecting close to 1,300 crore top line and 338 crore profit in FY26. Company is clocking close to 40% ROE, ROC. So I think smaller size company like Zen Technologies is our preferred bet as far as defense sector is concerned.
Thank you, Sunny. Great conversation on these, individual stocks. We will slip into a very short break on that note. On the other side, we'll get a corporate conversation going. Now, BLS International has made an interesting acquisition. It's a small acquisition, but they are getting in. They've bought a company with a 51% stake in a sports management company, which gives them entry into golfing events. Shikhar Agrawal, MD of the company, joins them on the other side.